If the points A, B, C, D are the vertices of a parallelogram ABCD, find the values of A and B. So here I have a parallelogram with 4 vertices A, B, C and D. So here I've marked the 4 vertices A, B, C, D. We need to find the value of A and B. So here is A, this is what we need to find, and this is B. To do this sum, because it's a parallelogram, we use the property that the diagonals of a parallelogram bisect each other. So we have one diagonal AC and we have another diagonal BD. This diagonal meet at this point O. And this point O is the midpoint of AC as well as the midpoint of DB. So the strategy in this sum is, with the help of AC, we will find the coordinates of O with the help of this AC here, and then with the help of DB we will find the coordinates of O again, and we'll equate it because O is one and the same point. So let's see, we'll find the coordinates of O. O is midpoint of AC. Of course, we need to write this property: diagonals of a parallelogram bisect each other. Bisect each other. If they bisect each other, means O is midpoint of AC and O is midpoint of the other diagonal, and that is BD. So O is a midpoint of both. So first we will say O is a midpoint of AC. So your O coordinates are X and Y. Your A we know is minus 11. Your B no, in this case it's C. So our C is 215. So we have X and we have Y. We have X1 is A, Y1 is minus 11, X2 is 2, and Y2 is 15. A midpoint formula: X equal to X1 plus X2 divided by 2. So the X is X1 A and this is 2. So A plus 2 divided by 2. And to find the Y, we'll do it in another color. We have Y equal to Y1 plus Y2 divided by 2. Y1, Y2. So Y is minus 11 plus 15 divided by 2. So Y is 4 divided by 2, Y equal to 2. So here we have now the coordinates of O. O coordinates, the A coordinate is A plus, and this is here. This is the O coordinates. Now we'll find the O coordinates with the help of BD. So here again I'm going to join my BD. This is what I need. And the earlier one was this. I'll write in dotted because I'm already done with AC. The midpoint was this O, which I had taken as XY. Now for the next we'll say O is midpoint of BD, which means O is XY, B is 5 and the D is 1 and 1. So X1 5, X2 1, Y1 B, Y2 1. So for the formula, X equal to X1 plus X2 by 2. So your X we don't know. This is X1 and this is X2. So 5 plus 1 divided by 2. So your X becomes 3. And for the Y, Y1 plus Y2 divided by 2. So Y1 and Y2. So the Y is B plus 1 divided by 2. So O, the coordinates of O now turn out to be, this is the X coordinate 3 and this is the Y coordinate. But earlier we have also found the coordinates of O. Look up here, we found the coordinates of O here. Have you seen? A plus 2 over 2 and 2. So let's write that. So now O is one and the same point. So we could say that the coordinates, these two, this is equal, the x of this equal to the x of this here. So 3 equal to a plus 2 over 2. So 6 equal to a plus 2 and the a equal to 4. And this coordinate, this y coordinate here must be equal to this y coordinate because both is of the same point. So b plus 1 over 2 equal to 2. So b plus 1 equal to 4, b equal to 3. So the coordinate now of O, we've got, no, A and B, not O, we've got the values of A and B. We've got A is 4 and B is 3. The property we use here, the diagonals of a parallelogram bisect. So the midpoint of both the diagonals is same. First you take one diagonal AC, you find its midpoint by using midpoint formula. You find BD and find the midpoint and then you equate.